So this is going to be another Moto Stars video. This is a Harley rider gets mad. What's new, everybody? I don't know. But we're going to be watching this and see what happens during these crashes and close calls so we can hopefully prevent them ourselves.
We were aware of his mistake and decided to stop.
Okay, side of the vehicle. Okay, you got an idiot right. Oh, good job with the emergency escape path and swerve. Did an amazing job here. Great job. Did what he needed to do. I honestly would have done this. I would have been like, hey man, what the hell? Get out of the road. Don't be a dum-dum. Pay attention. He looks embarrassed. He's all holding himself kind of awkward. He knows he made a mistake. Get yourself out of there. You did a great job, Heber. Amazing job. So driver on the wrong side of the road. We got a sharp right turn coming up. So got to watch out for that. So the wrong side of the road is probably going to be some... Oh, straight up wrong side of the road. I thought he was going to go a little bit wide, but did a good job. Wasn't hauling ass. Good job on this rider. So H1K for life, going around the turn, uncommon things, having that there. Oh, it's a photographer. And now we're gonna low side. So this is probably like Tail of the Dragon stuff. Tail of the Dragon after fixed peg hits the ground, bike completely totaled 100 feet off the mountain. The bike is totaled. You could have been totaled too. Be very careful. Don't do stupid stuff. Just ride within your skill limit. Enjoy yourself. He's in pain. The fact that he's having to do... Oh, he's in pain. His leg is hurt. So when you see something like that, and he's bleeding out, get yourself that rescue pack, pull it out, wrap it down, wrap it down. If he's continuously bleeding out of like a leg, tourniquet in.
You hit that tree. Stay down.
He hit a tree. High mechanism of injury.
I know.
Very high mechanism.
Calm down.
Whoa.
You can always replace the bike.
His leg.
Bro, how many fingers am I holding up?
How far to go?
That'd be funny. He's like, how many fingers am I holding up?
I don't know what I hit. Huh?
Is that your bike down there? It's like, no.
The bike went that way. He went that way.
So staff photographer. So it was a photographer spot. Now I feel like photographers or people on the Dragon should have a trauma kit just kind of sitting there ready. Oh no, you can easily snap an ankle doing that too, but now it's just embarrassment.
Lost his balance and braked too hard on a turned wheel, but made it in front of many spectators.
Hey, that's fine. We all understand that. We've all been there. Except for me. But anyways, what happened? We're on a hill. It's kind of weird. We applied the brakes. Handlebars were turned and fell down. We talk about how not to do that on Motorcycle Training Concepts YouTube channel. Tight turn from a stop. So Lou, DMV rider. All right, so, you know, I would rather be in a different position off to the left or right of these vehicles so I can plan it better. That person, we were kind of in their blind spot, but they should have known we were there. Inattentional blindness. Don't worry about this. See this space cushion here? Keep that. Don't do this part. Don't do this part. Don't do this part. You're only going to get yourself hurt. Nacho EMD Reyes. Okay, I don't like this. I can't see very far. This person's going to want to come in my lane anyways. They're going to do it. I would have allowed them in. I don't know why that was a surprise. We should have been orange stage when we saw a blinker like that. As soon as we saw that, we were moving past and we're doing this whole thing. We need to be watching out, okay? Pedestrians in the road. What the heck were you thinking? Just because it's green doesn't mean you should be doing that. Freaking idiot. Oh, side of the dog. Came out, did a good job, didn't panic. Here we go. Ride or die. Okay, what are we going to do here? We're glad we didn't die. We moved off to the side into an escape path. Bunch more with Nacho EMD Reyes. Okay, space cushion's not good. Move off. Just in case they apply the brakes, you kind of just do a lane filtering. Another Nacho going a little fast, but we're going to navigate that okay. Interesting choice of escape, but he made it work. Not a big deal. Should have been seen, right? He's wearing high-vis gear. People are just terrible at driving, so we can't anticipate them doing the right thing if they're already doing terrible shit.
Completely didn't expect the rider move.
So we should do the best we possibly can. Okay? Whoa! What the? Is it the car driver's fault? Is it the car driver's fault? No, it's not. Learn to rescue a rider. Okay, look. Was this the car driver's fault? So left leg, left knee. Now we have our neck and spine issues. So I'm talking about mechanism of injury right here.
Yo, dude, are you okay? You just stay still. You don't, if anything's broke, you don't want to move, man. Are you okay?
Nice helmet.
Do you need paramedics? Do you need medical help?
He's in pain. typically people don't just sit there and like, what's going on? He's either in pain or he has a head injury. And he's just trying to gather the situation. He's trying to orient.
Checked out.
His wrist hurts, possible wrist injuries. Sometimes when like a life situation just happens and like you're the center of it, you start to panic a little bit, and this looks like a little panic. All right, so Mac wrist, interesting choice. Harley rider gets mad after he made Victory highball rider crash into him at ROC. So a Victory motorcycle, he's probably pissed off because they don't make Victories anymore and you can't find the parts for it. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. What are we doing on the side of the road? I don't know, enjoying the view. Look forward. You shouldn't have. It's not a Harley rider getting mad. It's a Victory rider. But we'll just keep saying it's a Harley rider for the views and for the SEO. You should have been paying attention. Should have been paying attention. Your handlebars are bent. You're super pissed. Side stand down. Comb your hair to the other side. Just go on with your day. So left area Christie's or critis. It's the inflammation of the yeah. Anyways, a little EMT joke. Watch out for the space cushion here. You don't know if this person's gonna back up. You don't know if this person's gonna block you in. Move off. Plan your ride a little bit better. Switch to the outside. So people pay attention to driving. So he's on a phone call. It looks like he's using his Cardo Pack Talk probably. Whoa, came out of nowhere. Moving on over. Go ahead and apply the brakes. It's a red light anyways. You have to stop. Don't fight for the position. Let the idiot have it. End of story. He's talking to his love. That's very sweet that he puts his love in his contacts as my love. Carly, here we go.
Which the biker didn't care to
Nice bike, not enough gear. That's okay. Make sure we don't crash so we don't have to need the gear.
crash.
So we're gonna go ahead and turn here, probably low side. There it is, because of that stuff on the ground. And plus, I've already seen this video. Moto Stars, why are we doing it again and again and again and again? Clearly no. Hey, Firefly! I haven't seen Firefly in a while. Here we go. I recognize the shield. So we're moving over. Okay, they moved over. We found an escape path. They probably saw us last second.
Ooh,
We slowed down. We're letting them get in front to get over.
Oh.
Perfectly handled situation. Perfectly handled situation. You did great. Did really good. This is definitely a smart rider.
That's scary.
Seeks and recognizes and then maintained their fundamental skills and moved over, allowed them to go. One sec. And they also had, one second. Firefly also has a rock form mount. I can tell. That's a rock form mount, baby. Here we go. Keep an eye on this pickup. All right, let's keep an eye on the pickup. Rembo USMC. Once again, we saw a little bit of this on the Bikers channel. So we're keeping an eye on the red pickup. They're moving over. Switch and switch, switch. That's not a red pickup. I don't know why I said red in the first place. But moving on over. They wanted to do that. We handled it pretty well. We recognized it. Did a good job because we were in orange stage, prepped and ready. So definite orange stage here. Okay, another merging car, just kind of switch over, non-issue. They shouldn't have done it in the first place, put you in a little bit of danger. But hey, you're putting yourself in danger by not wearing gear and riding a motorcycle.
Problem.
So wear some gear.
You're in front of me. I got you on my camera.
What is the camera gonna do?
Wake up.
Well, are you guys using any of this camera footage to turn it into the police?
Thanks for watching, team.
Okay.
I